Morning team, it's Friday, June 9, last day of the week. Let's try to get some bread and going to the weekend pretty happy. Again, we got a news basically today. My forex book says that there is some speech, but yeah, we can get some clean price action. Let's start with item frame. So weekly, we say that we were a weekly support and now start to look like really forming a swing low. I don't think in 17 hours this thing is gonna become red. I think we're gonna close pretty much like we are now, and yeah, a swing low will be not extremely bullish, but will mean that maybe some more upside is to follow. Yeah, look at this daily close. They really made sure to close above previous swing high. This looks bullish to me, you know. Even if it closed below, it was not bearish, but this close is bullish to my eyes. So this now is fully mitigated because you see almost a 50%. So I mean, yes, they can still go. It's still a resistance, but I mean it's mitigated to my eyes. So I think, for example, if we pull back and we go higher, this resistance shouldn't react anymore. Yeah, H4 left a lot of fair value gaps behind. But yeah, this, I mean, yesterday was bullish, you remember? At least until this resistance aside, because this H1 BMS, and in the end, look, this pattern I called a few days ago, when I say like bearish momentum is slowing down in item frame support, these raids, these and this BMS was the call. I know they left the liquidity, the liquidity pull behind, but yeah, they do that. The double bottom was like, look at this BMS. They pull back, origin, and took off. I didn't expect them to push it so hard. I thought that this level will give some reaction, and then from here we will evaluate, you know, maybe pull back and keep going higher. Instead, no. So when a level like that clean didn't offer reaction, for me becomes support, because this is a breaker, you know. You're gonna say, yeah, they didn't make a new low. Yeah, but they did somehow. First of all, they break this. H1 bullish, this H1 as wing low, you know. So to me, this one now is a breaker. Is this order block gonna give like new highs? I think so, but I'm also ready if they don't. Look at this beautiful fair value gap here. So let's go to low time frame and be more clear, because there is not much to mention here. So I like this one as the beginning of the leg, which is also MH1 swing low, because look at this, price arrive at resistance, stop one here, no? Can you see this one? One time, two time, three times here, and then finally they push it, okay? So for me, this is the leg that moved up. This M15 untested in OT area, which is confluent with what I just said that now is a breaker to me. Look. If you want to refine. If we pull back in this area, I'm gonna heavily look for longs myself. But yeah, price looks pretty bullish, can keep going higher like that. I don't know, right now looks distribution to me. This looks like textbook distribution after a long expansion. Now they're consolidating. Well, if they do something like this for London, it would be lovely to get a short, you know. like a raid, BMS, a short into Asia low will be lovely. If I do this call, I call if I do this trade, I call the week. Instead, if we keep, right now looks like a little bit dumpy, but not much. If we're going down for the pullback, I'm gonna look for longs in this area. Longs were into Asia I. Yes, after we moved how much? 100 pips? Yeah, 90 pips yesterday. I don't expect a lot of move today. Because look at this, it was accumulation, 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 and then they manipulated. So now they're again ranging, and let's see. I'm gonna post more charts later in the group. It's super early. I'm gonna go to swim and come back. You know, I don't trade before Frankfurt open, so this is where I'm allowed to trade. I speak to you later, and I don't know if this weekend I got time, or maybe I do another trading plan video. Bye guys.